Hi, it's Beanie. I would like to show you how to make a magic ring. Go like this. Come around here. Hold it. Then you stitch down with your crochet hook on top of the thread and pull it through, and then make a chain. Let it go and hold on to this here. Then you put in your single crochet, however many you need. Let's put 10 in here, huh? Two. Just hold on to this here. 3. 4. 5. 6. You can pull it a little bit here, a little tight here. Pull on that string. 7. 8. 9. 10. And you just pull on the string to close it, and then you can make a slip knot here. Actually, I am still using oh yeah, slip stitch, of course, Al, thank you. Al is helping me, he's holding the camera. And I remember I got my bigger crochet needle. Remember my crochet needle broke? So I never switched the crochet needle. That's why it's a bit more difficult to stitch in. Close it with a slip knot stitch. Yeah, that's right. I'm so tired today. Yeah. And when you start usually doing this with a chain, it always keeps this hole here. But if you do a magic circle, it's like this. Let me show you. That's what it looks like. It's pretty neat, isn't it? Till next time.